Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Today I just wanted to quickly talk about a giveaway that I'm going to be doing here pretty soon on some deer antler knives. I ordered these 3 blades off of discountcutlery.com, and I really wish I had ordered more because I got these done a lot quicker than I really had anticipated. So what I'm going to be doing with these 3 knives is I'm actually going to send these out to 3 of my best friends on YouTube. And shortly after that though, I'm going to be making some more knives. So this is just a heads up video on a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So you need to make sure that you subscribe to my channel. This giveaway I'm probably going to be doing in about a week or so, because I've got to order some more blades in, and it's probably going to be like I'm going to try to get a Bowie knife. It's, you know, a pretty long knife, pretty big knife, but you know, you're just getting more than one of these little things. But these are really handy. I'll probably do 3 winners, and the number 1 winner will probably get that Bowie knife, get that bigger knife. But these are really cool though. It would only take me probably 30 minutes to do this, but after messing around with some of the other antlers that I had, it took me a little bit to realize that it really doesn't have to take that long to make one of these knives, because I was really working on one of these all day long, and I thought, why in the world am I making this more difficult than it has to be? So really I've only got about 30 minutes in this knife right here. But I mean, these are pretty cool. These are all really cool knives. You know, I just used the full antler tip on that one, and I mean, you can kind of see it, you know, it fits really well in your hand. This one also is a really good one. But this one here, I actually put the blade in. I actually put the blade in wrong. It was supposed to be in there like this. But hey, make a good paring knife, wouldn't you say? So I'm going to be sending these out to 3 of my best friends. But you know, you guys have to remember that you have to be subscribed in order to win on this giveaway. So that's just a heads up. I'm going to try to do it in a week, like I said, but you know, it all depends on how long it takes for these blades to get here that I'm going to order. So just remember that. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you one person I'm going to be sending this knife to, this one right here. I'm going to be sending this knife to Bumblebee Junction. They are having a big giveaway worth $200. It is a, gosh, all that cookware they're giving away. I just cannot think of it for the life of me. What in the world is that called? I can't even think of the name of that darn metal. I'm gonna have to go look it up. I just can't think of it. Guys, I figured it out. Bumblebee Junction is giving away a $200 cast iron cooking set. It's got like 5 pans in it. They're also giving away a Dutch oven, and the 3rd place winner is going to be getting like a homestead, some sort of homestead package from Mark and Tina Bumblebee Junction. Guys, go check them out. I'll leave a link right up here for you to go check them out. They're awesome folks. They deserve all the support in the world. They are wonderful. They'll do anything for you guys. Go check them out. One other thing I wanted to tell you is I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways for these knives. I'm going to be making a lot more, and I'm going to try to do as many giveaways as I possibly can. These are really fun to make, and I just love making them. So you know, it's just a thank you to all of you guys for supporting me in what I do. Right now I'm sitting at about 4,300 subscribers. So I really think around 5,000 subscribers, I would like to do a big giveaway, like a big knife, or maybe I may just do like a small, like a 3 knife package giveaway or something, you know, something. I really need to make some fillet knives. I have a buddy on YouTube that's a big fisherman, and I guarantee you he would enjoy having a big fillet knife for all of his crappie that he catches. Well guys, that's really all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to let you know that I was going to be doing some antler knife giveaways, and that you need to be subscribed And you need to tap that bell for notifications so that you get the notification when that video comes out for the giveaway, so you do not miss out. Because it's not going to be these knives. It's actually going to be bigger than these knives, I believe, because after working with these, I'd really like to do some bigger knives. So they're going to be bigger than these, and they're going to be way cooler. So be sure to subscribe and tap that bell. I'd really like to sell these on like eBay or Amazon, but I have $6 in one of these blades. So I ordered these 3 and I didn't really get any discount or anything, but I've got $18 in these 3 blades right here, and I've got a free deer antler. So this is a $6 knife, and I could probably get, I don't know if I could get $20 out of something like that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think down in the description, or not down in the description box, but let me know what you guys think on what I could get out of one of these knives if I was to sell them on eBay or Amazon down in the comment section, because I'm just not sure what to do yet. I think I would benefit more out of these just by maybe making them. I will be making a video on making these knives here really soon when these next blades come in, and that video might actually be of me making your knife if you're the winner. But I'm going to be making a video on it though, for sure. But I think I would benefit most out of these knives just by giving them away to you guys, because I mean, you guys have really helped me out getting me to where I am on YouTube. There's no way that I could be there without you guys. So be sure and just keep a lookout for that video that's going to be coming out. Guys, that's really all I have for you today. Remember to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you guys on the next video.